Usihlalo wekhomishana yengamele ukhetho uqinisekisa abantu bakulelizwe ukuthi le khomishana isimi ngomumo ukubamba ukhetho ngale kokuthi la kuleli libheke nokubhedwa kwesiwombe sesithathu se-COVID-19.
Thorough assessment of the current pandemic conditions. The Commission is of the view that we are technically ready to deliver the elections. Therefore, we believe the 2021 municipal elections should proceed as things currently stand.
Uqhube wathi i-IEC angeke ikhohle ukuthi umphakathi unokwesaba nge-COVID-19 ingakho ikhomishana iqoke lowo wayeyiphinde enhloko yamajaji uJustice Dikgang Moseneke ukuba abheke ukuthi kungabe ukhetho luzoba olukhululekile nolungachemile.
Given the enormous ramification of either postponing or proceeding with elections, the Commission recently appointed the former Deputy Chief Justice Dikgang Moseneke to conduct an independent review of what constitutes free and fair elections under such abnormal circumstances.
Isikhulu se-IEC uSaima Babolo uthi le khomishana izokwethulwa imishini emisha ezosiza kakhulu ekunqandeni ukuvota ngokuphindiwe kwabantu.
These devices will provide access to real-time voters' roll, which will allow election officials to detect if any voter has already presented themselves at the voting station to vote. This initiative should put paid to any lingering concerns about possible double voting.
Kunxuswe abantu abangakaze babhalise ukuba babhalise ukuvota kodwa kubhekwe kakhulu intsha.
Our estimates indicate that young people are underrepresented on the voters' roll. This is not necessarily a reflection of so-called apathy by young persons. Young voters have had fewer opportunities to register than older voters.
Umashinini uthe wonke umuntu kufanele abambe iqhaza kulolu khetho oluzayo kodwa kufanele siphephe ngaso sonke isikhathi siphinde siqinisekise ukuthi bonke abaseduze nathi nabo baphephile. Lokhu kwethula kwezinhlelo zokhetho lohulumeni bezindawo kuza nje owayeyiphinde enhloko yamajaji uJustice Dikgang Moseneke uphenya malungana ukuthi ingabe luzoba olukhululekile nolungachemile yini ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo njengoba luzobanjwa ngaphansi kwesimo se-COVID-19. Umbiko wophenyo uzokwethula ngaphambi kokuphela kukaNtulikazi. Ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo luzobanjwa mhla zingama-27 kuMfumfu.